Everybody, this is System Test 5. So one thing you may notice, I am back in the shed. Got warmer, so I decided to come back in here. So we're just gonna get started right away. But first though, I have a new addition to this system, which I will get to when I will get there later, when I get there. So we're just gonna start by showing the notification appliance. The first notification appliance we have on the system is a Simplex 2099-9756 dual action T-bar. I love this thing. And for the first notification appliance is a Wheelock NS-24 MCW on a system sensor mass trim plate. I like how it looks, and the the hole where the back box is behind it, the drywall is very weird looking, and it looks horrible if I put a small alarm without a trim plate. So that's the reason. And now we're gonna get to the better part of the system. Not the better part, the newer part of the system. Nothing, I tricked you. We are actually going outside without having to pull the pull station. So we're back here. We have a System Sensor SPSR-K outdoor speaker strip. So this is the SPSR, but the outdoor version. It's on its outdoor back box. The wires go through this conduit. It's not really long, it just goes up through there. These are like thicker wires, so that does better out here. And yeah, I set this on 75 candela, and yeah, pretty sure this is tight enough. Okay, yep. This thing has been out here for a day already, and it still works. So we're good. Now, this week it should rain a few times, so I hope it'll be okay. It's a weatherproof device, so it should be. What I really wanted to do, put it right there, but it's hard to put it on that, and I don't want to ruin it. So, we're going to go in here, and we're just going to pull the alarm. Let me connect these batteries. You might be able to hear it already. So something weird that the MP3 board does is, so after one time it does not repeat. I have to turn it off and on for it to repeat. And then, so I have to turn it off and on. Now it should just keep repeating over and over again without me having to do anything. So let's go down there and check. It's set on 1.4, a fourth of a watt. You can hear the NS clear as day. See it repeat. So let's go way out here. You'll see how far away I'm going. Pretty far. Because we have this really big backyard. This is it. Not sure if you can see the strobe going right there. Hello? There. It's going off in real life. I just for some reason can't see it on camera. There we go. It's in sync with the NS, so it's going, the strobe is going, It's just hard to see on camera because it doesn't always pick it up. Pinecone. Die. Okay. Arguably, the best part of the system is the new outdoor device. This device looks new in person because it was new in box, except on camera it's kind of there. Since I'm not using a panel, when I reset the pull station, it should just turn everything off. It should turn the NS off, the strobe and the horn. And because, again, the batteries for the SPSRK connected straight to the strobe, but on here it's connected toward the pull station. I said toward, to the pull station. Ow, I just hit my pinky. That hurt. So this, if I'm correct, the strobe and the speaker should be going off on this one still. So it's silenced inside. The strobes are, everything is turned off inside, but out here, everything's still on. So if I have this one going for too long, people might get a little nervous. My neighbors don't get annoyed because they're nice, but they just get nervous. That hasn't happened yet, but I just don't want it to. What am I doing that for? I have to shut the MP3 board off, take the wires out. See, get over. Okay. And we are good. Now, that's really all there is to say. And the new edition is really just the best part of it. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.